Alright, so what I got here is the Insanity Ghost Pepper Salsa, this one here. This one's rated at 1 million Scoville units. Alright, now in comparison, Tabasco sauce is about 2,000 to 5,000 Scoville units, and this one's 1 million. Okay, so that's pretty hot. You can tell just by the numbers that it's going to be pretty hot. Now this other one from Trinidad, the Moruga Scorpion Salsa, is rated at 2 million Scoville units. So it's actually twice as hot as the world's hottest salsa. Alright, so I'm going to try both and see what happens. Open is called the Ghost Pepper Salsa. I'm going to do a couple things. I'm going to open it up, smell it, just to see what it smells like, because I don't know if you've ever had ghost chilies before, but there is a definite smell, and it actually permeates the air. So I'm going to open this up and smell it and see if it actually smells strong or if it's... oh, alright, so there it is. I don't know if you can see it there. I don't want to spill it out. So it looks like any other hot sauce. And it's not as strong as I thought it was going to be. It smells like ordinary salsa. So hopefully we'll see. Alright. Alright, so now I'm going to open the other one and check that one out. The Trinidad Salsa, or the Trinidad Moruga Scorpion Salsa. Now if I can open it up. Oh, alright, so I'm going to smell this one too and check it out. And again, there's no heat. There's no overpowering heat or smell at all. So I'm kind of surprised that there's nothing. So hopefully it tastes hotter than it actually smells. And this is the Trinidad salsa, the 2 million Scoville unit salsa. Alright, I'm going to do the ghost pepper salsa first. On the side it says, use this product with caution, keep away from eyes, pets, and children. Not for people with heart or respiratory problems. So there's a warning right on the container already, saying that it's going to be pretty hot and it's dangerous. So here I go. I'm going to try the first one, the ghost pepper, and we'll just see how hot it actually is. There's a good helping of sauce, and I'm putting probably a little more than I normally would put on there because I want the full effect the first time. Alright, so here goes. And I'm swishing it around in my mouth, making sure that my tongue gets all over it. And I can feel the heat building up already. And I can feel the heat going down my throat. I'm not sweating yet, but it's definitely hot. So I'm going to try another bite. Because I know sometimes the sauces take a couple tries before you get to really feel the heat. Now I'm already feeling the heat. It's pretty hot. So I'm going to do another full chip of the world's hottest salsa. 1 million Scoville unit. It's definitely hot. I'm starting to sweat. I can feel that I'm starting to sweat, but I'm surprised that it's not as hot as I thought it was going to be. It's fairly hot, but for ghost pepper, I thought it was going to be a little bit hotter. Now my mouth is hot and I can feel my tongue and my lips actually starting to go numb. I'm actually starting to break a sweat a little bit. You can see on my face and my nose I'm starting to break a sweat, so it's definitely hot. And I don't know if my face is turning colors. Dawn is shaking her head saying, yeah, my face is turning colors. It's probably turning red. But it's definitely hot. So what I'm going to do is jump right into the second one, which is even hotter. And it's the Trinidad Salsa, the Moruga Scorpion, which is actually twice as hot as the first one I just tried. So see if I can handle that. Alright, so this This one actually looks a little different. It's got chunks in it. It's more of a heavier salsa, chunkier salsa. So I don't know if that means it's more dangerous or not, but I'm going to put a big chunk on there. Like that. I'm actually kind of worried now because the first one that I'm eating is very hot and I can actually feel the burning. It's actually starting to burn now. So I'm going to jump right into this one. Hopefully it doesn't take away from the heat that I already have in my mouth. Alright? So that one was already masked by the heat that I already have it in my mouth, so I'm not sure exactly how hot it is. But it's definitely hot. My mouth is actually on fire right now. And it's very, very hot. It's actually sweeter than the first one, which I'm kind of surprised. I'm going to take another one here. And this is a full, but no, this is 2 million Scoville units. And remember that the Tabasco sauce is 2,000 to 5,000 Scoville units, and this is 2 million right here. So, and you can see I'm probably sweating. I don't know if you can see it up close, but my nose is sweating and my face is all sweaty. And I'm feeling that, definitely feeling the heat. So I'm going to try the second chip and see if I can get some more heat out of it. It's definitely the hottest sauce I've ever had. And as you can see, I'm sweating more and I feel like my face is actually getting red. So it's definitely hot. My eyes are getting red. My eyes are turning bloodshot. Okay. Well, my mouth is all numb. My tongue is numb. It's burning hot. It's definitely the hottest sauce I've ever had. And definitely this Trinidad Moruga Scorpion is probably the hottest I've ever had. Now I've had ghost chili chicken wings before, which were hot. And maybe I'll do a story about that another time. But I'm definitely feeling this. It's super hot. The labels weren't kidding. They are the world's hottest salsas. And these jars, I think these jars are about $15 to $20 each. I don't know where Don got them, but maybe I'll put that up on the website. So you can see my face, my eyes are actually watering. My nose is actually dripping at this point. There's stuff, coming down my face. So it's definitely hot. I'm going to take another spoon. And I'm going to probably kill myself with this. I'm going to take another 2 million right here. That's definitely got a different taste. It's a tomatoey kind of taste, but it's hot. That one's hot. And it's getting hotter as I speak. So, I can hack a lot of heat, and this is not super uncomfortable for me, but it's definitely hot. There is a lot of heat behind these salsas. So with that, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna put this on the video, and hopefully you survive till then. Talk to you later, guys. Bye. So I'm cooking right now. I'm actually kind of roasting. I only had those 2 or 3 chips, and I'm definitely feeling the heat. So this is a few minutes later, and the heat is still building up. Don says my face is just sweating like crazy. I can feel my eyes starting to water. My tongue, I can barely feel my tongue. And if I'm slurring my words, it's because my tongue's not working right now. I'm trying to eat these chips to try and bring the heat down, but the heat's actually still building up. It's still getting hotter and hotter. It's not helping. It's super hot. So if anybody wants to try this at some point or know where to get it, I'll ask Don where to get it, and I'll just put it in notes or whatever. Alright, talk to you later. Bye. Alright, I'm back. It's about 5-6 minutes later. My tongue is still numb. My lips are hot. I had to go wash my hands because I wanted to wipe my face, but I couldn't. You know, they tell you not to touch your face or your eyes when you have that sauce on your hands, so I had to go wash my hands real quick. But it's been about 5 minutes since I ate those chips, and I'm still sweating. The heat's still building up, and I actually can feel heat in my stomach now. There's a spot in my stomach where I can actually feel a heat. It's not aching, it's not hurting, it's just a heat that's actually built up from when I swallowed the sauce. So it's pretty hot. I'm still feeling the effects. I'm probably not going to eat any more today. I'm just going to let this ride out and see what happens. I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.